fly again. First time of the year, 2020. Looks like they made some changes to the track. There used to be a big berm here, similar to that. And then there was another jump, so there was like 3 sets of jumps. And now it's just 2. And before you used to kind of make a zigzag around that pine tree, it would go back to that berm. But now it loops around right away and you hit this. Looks like the back half of the track has changed as well. You come out of, I guess, where you start, where you loop around by those tires, and then you do this big turn. And then instead of going towards the big tabletop, there's another turn that loops around. And then there's like a little stepper here, going on here, and then you make this big turn. And then there's another turn that goes to the tabletop. So there's like less of a long stretch here. There's more turns. It's going to be a little bit of a change, but I think it'll be a little more fun. Hey, I found a pipe on the trail.
I know.
Looks like it's yours.
Yeah, did the pipe actually fall off?
Yeah. Dang.
Because it just got louder right here.
Bing, bing, bing. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, sounds like a hit. Throughout the day it always gets more and more dusty. The thing I'm learning is with these sandy turns, if you don't come in with enough speed, you don't have enough momentum to lean the bike over, and you have to come in with a decent amount of speed so that when you give it throttle, the back end's not going to kick out, but you can also lean the bike over. They say the more you lean the bike over, the more throttle you have to give it, but if you're not going fast enough, you're just going to spin the back wheel and slide. So I've been working on coming in a little bit quicker, and I kind of feather the clutch to keep it running so that when you go to take off, it has enough power. Otherwise it won't be in the power band, it'll kind of bog. So 2-stroke life. Alright, so while I was riding around, Travis was getting some videos of me, but I had to take a break. Arms just cramping up really bad. Then I went around again, hit some jumps, come back around, taking a break. Travis comes over, I'm like, your bike looks like it's slammed. Like, look how low this thing is. That's not good. So found out one of the bolts came out of the linkage. Can I see it from this side?
Yeah, the bolt's all smashed in.
Ooh. Yeah, the bolt's on its way out and broke. It's like the nut came off. Oh, I got a chunk out of the linkage missing. So yeah, CR's done for today. Yeah, now the chain's really tight. So yeah, we'll have to watch the videos and see if it was like if I was jumping it like that, possibly. I mean, had to give her a go, but